Bought a new soldering kit online. It was a same day delivery and costing just 250 INR, meaning around $3. Not that I did not have a soldering iron here. In fact, I have three ranging from 25 watts to 65 watts. All have been here for quite some time and the contacts have become rusty. So I wanted to try out a new one to see if the occurrence of dry solder comes down. Please note that this is not a promotional post, just sharing what I bought today as I found it quite economical. First, I took out the stand for holding the soldering iron in between when you are not soldering. Assembled it using the screw provided within it. Interestingly, I have never used such a soldering stand. Usually, I use a piece of wood and end up burning parts of it. So this looks a nice piece of simple instrument. This is the inventory of a whole lot of items in the kit. A nice yellow and red colored soldering iron with a 3-pin power cord, wire insulation stripper, desolder wick, soldering flux, a roll of solder, and a pair of forceps for holding the wires being soldered. Here I have kept the protective sleeve around the forceps and opened the lid of the flux container to show the soldering flux inside. Overall, it looks like a nice setup for soldering, which I plan to use for all my future projects except soldering the UHF connectors. That will need my old 65-watt soldering iron at the least and not this cute little soldering iron.